alaikum. I'm Jawad Ahmad. Today we are present in our next economics class in which we are going to study what is market equilibrium, also known as law of price, in which we are going to firstly discuss how prices are settled or fixed in a market. Then we will move towards making a table through which we can explain the relationship between price, quantity demanded, and quantity supplied, and try to make a diagram through which we will explain such point or such saturation level where demand is equal to supply and try to make some decisions on these basis. Then we will cover what is equilibrium price and what is a regulated price. So before I can start this class, kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start this class. What is law price or market equilibrium? In a free market economy, only such price will prevail. Prevail means fix or settle or finalize at which demand is equal to supply, means the point or the level of satisfaction at which demand is equal to supply is called equilibrium level, and the price at that point is called market price, and such point is known as market equilibrium. So what we have learned, point or point or such level at which quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. Such point is known as market equilibrium. And price at this level is called equilibrium price, and the quantity at this level is called equilibrium quantity. As the change has been made due to the change in prices, therefore this is not only a demand, it will be called quantity demanded in place of only demand, and such supply is also called quantity supplied. So it is the point of level at which quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. Now prepare a table in order to display or in order to explain this relationship. You already know that price has a direct relationship with quantity supplied, whereas price has indirect relationship or reverse relationship with quantity demanded. So here price is taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But quantity demanded need to decrease 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and quantity supplied need to increase due to its direct relationship. So price 3 is the price at which quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. So this point is known as equilibrium point. Now let's make a graph or diagram. Price is taken always on y-axis and quantity demanded and supplied will be taken on x-axis. Prices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And demand and supply is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Firstly, we are plotting the quantity demanded at price 1. It is 5, then it is 4, 3. At price 3, it is 3. At price 4, it is 2. And at price 5, it is 1. So a downward slope will be prepared for quantity demanded. Now prepare quantity supplied curve. At point 1, it is 1. Point 2 is 2. And at point 3, it is 3. And at point 4, it is 4. And 5, it is 5. So a straight curve will be made for quantity supplied. So point 3 is the point at which quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. So this point is known as equilibrium point. So price at this point is known as equilibrium price, and quantity at this level is called equilibrium quantity. So let's explain this diagram. At y-axis we take price, and on x-axis we take quantity demanded and quantity supplied. The line D is the demand curve and the line S is the supply curve. This point is known as equilibrium point. Price at this level is called equilibrium price. And quantity at this level is called equilibrium quantity. So this is the price that will prevail in the market because it is the price that is settled by or that is finalized due to the demand and supply forces. If we exceed from this level towards upward level, then it will create surplus in the market, which means that quantity demanded is less than the quantity supplied. And if we move downward from this point, it will create shortage in the market, which means quantity demanded is greater than quantity supplied. That people are demanding more, but there is only or a limited supply available in the market. So it is the best point which is feasible for a market to continue its operation at that level, which is called equilibrium level. So, what is the difference between equilibrium price and regulated price? Equilibrium price is the market price which is fixed by the forces of demand and supply forces. The price at which quantity demanded is equal to quantity supplied. What is non-regulated price? Regulated price is the price fixed by the government. If government set a minimum price, it is called floor price. If government determine a maximum price, it is called cap price or ceiling price. So this was our today's class in which we have studied what is market equilibrium. We have discussed it through a table and then prepare a diagram. Then we have explained this diagram, what is the meaning of this whole diagram, and at last we have studied the difference between the equilibrium price and the regulated price. Hope the concept has been well explained. Let's meet in the next class with market disequilibrium. Thank you for your time.